go?
Yes.
And we're going to run it first in a, there's Chris, we're going to run in a CP4 test, press, low speed, double, triple reduction gearbox, and see what we can get out of it. We're getting a little bit of free water coming out here. We've barely started to fill the press, so there is very loose free water in some of this sample. At this point, we're getting more dewatering towards the discharge on the right-hand side. The cone is going to start opening in a minute as we fill up this press. The cone's starting to open. The initial cake that comes out is always quite wet, but the door, as the door opens, this arm lifts up. There you saw it move up. This is the cake coming out. We have no weight on the arm as yet.
We just told him.
Getting a sample of the press liquor. That's a very healthy flow for this size press and this type of material. Goes through watering very well. We're now running with about 40 pounds of weight on the arm. We're starting to get more solids being forced through the screen. Here's the inlet in, first resistor tube. So the liquid's bound to be dirtier. The cake is still coming out, it's still feeding, and we'll take samples of the liquor and cake. What we've done now is we've taken the cake from the first two pails that we pressed, one pail to lightweight, one pail to heavyweight. We're taking that cake and we're repressing it. We'll have to keep poking it if we want to bridge, but basically I don't expect to get much fresh liquor, if any, out at all. This could be residual material that was still in the press. Okay, we have a pretty steady stream of press cake going through for double pressing right now. Getting out a little more liquid than I would have thought. Certainly not enough additional liquid to justify buying a second press for double pressing. Okay, yeah, there's going down in. Okay, there's a screw feeding the last of this cake. And the dewatering. And here's the cake coming out. The thunderstorm has passed, and now we're testing a different type press. This is a soft squeeze machine. Only 3 stages of compression. You see 3 resistor teeth here. We're giving it it's a light squeeze. It is a 6-inch screw. We're using our first pail of material to fill up the machine. The cake will come out this end. We have no weight on this arm, but the arm by itself is rather heavy. Here you can see the door opening up. There's the cake coming out. Okay, this is what we've got at this stage. Look how far open it is. Okay, we're feeding the last of the second pail. Still no weight on the arm. Getting about normal open. Not near as much solid came through the screen. We are on our final 5th pail of material. We have put in about 30 pounds of weight in the bucket. The door is closed a lot more as we'd expect. We're just starting to feed. Perforation on this screen is 050, 50 thousandths of an inch, and we're stalled out.